Welcome to the California Premium DMV Practice Test. In this video, you'll go through 50 of the most important driving test questions and answers to help you pass your California DMV exam on the first try. Let's see how many you can get right. Grab a pen, take notes, and test your knowledge. Don't forget to share your results and feedback in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. And if you like the video, support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends.
When parking uphill on a two-way street with no curb, your front wheels should be A. Turn to the left, toward the street. B. Turn to the right, away from the street. C. Parallel to the road. The correct answer is B. A solid yellow line next to a broken yellow line means A. You may pass if the broken line is on your side. B. Passing is allowed on both sides. C. Passing is not allowed on either side. The correct answer is A. When approaching a flashing red traffic signal, you must A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop completely, then proceed when safe. C. Drive through if no other vehicles are present. The correct answer is B. If two vehicles enter an intersection from different roads at the same time, who has the right of way? A. The vehicle on the right. B. The larger vehicle. C. The faster vehicle. The correct answer is A. What should you do at a yellow traffic light? A. Speed up to clear the intersection. B. Always stop. C. Stop if you can do so safely. The correct answer is C. A curb painted red means A. Loading and unloading passengers only. B. No stopping, standing, or parking. C. Stopping allowed for emergencies. The correct answer is B. You must turn on your headlights. A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. B. Only at night. C. When visibility is less than 1,000 feet. The correct answer is A. When merging onto a freeway, you should A. Stop at the end of the ramp. B. Match the speed of traffic in the right lane. C. Enter slowly and wait for a gap. The correct answer is B. At a four-way stop, the first vehicle to stop should be A. The first to go. B. The last to go. C. Wait for others to signal. The correct answer is A. You are involved in a minor collision with a parked car and can't find the owner. You must A. Leave a note and report the incident to the police. B. Leave the scene immediately. C. Wait until the owner arrives. The correct answer is A. The maximum speed limit on most California highways is A. 55 miles per hour. B. 65 miles per hour. C. 70 miles per hour. The correct answer is B. When driving in a school zone when children are present, the speed limit is usually A. 45 miles per hour. B. 35 miles per hour. C. 25 miles per hour. The correct answer is C. A diamond-shaped yellow sign means A. warning. B, regulation. C, service. The correct answer is A. If your tire blows out, you should A. Apply the brakes hard immediately. B. Hold the steering wheel firmly and slow down gradually. C. Turn sharply to the side. The correct answer is B. What does a pentagon-shaped sign indicate? A. School zone or school crossing. B. Stop ahead. C. Railroad crossing. The correct answer is A. When backing up, look. A. Straight ahead. B. Only in your mirrors. C. Over your right shoulder. The correct answer is C. When should you signal before turning? A. At least 100 feet before turning. B. 50 feet before turning. C. Only when other vehicles are near. The correct answer is A. Which of the following is true about seat belts? A. They keep you from sliding on the seat. B. They increase your chance of surviving a crash. C. Both A and B. The correct answer is C. When driving in fog, use A. High beam headlights. B. Low beam headlights. C. Parking lights only. The correct answer is B. You must not park within how many feet of a fire hydrant? A. 10 feet. B. 15 feet. C. 20 feet. The correct answer is B. A white curb means A. Passenger loading only. B. Commercial loading only. C. No parking. The correct answer is A. When being passed by another vehicle, you should A. Increase speed. B. Maintain your speed. C. Move to the left. The correct answer is B. If you are under 21 and caught with alcohol in your vehicle, the penalty may include A. A warning. B. A fine and vehicle impoundment. C. Community service only. The correct answer is A. When you see a road work ahead sign, you should A. Slow down and be prepared for sudden stops. B. Ignore it if no workers are visible. C. Speed up to pass the area quickly. The correct answer is A. If a traffic signal is blacked out during a power failure, A. Proceed as normal. B. Treat it as a four-way stop. C. Stop only if other cars are coming. The correct answer is B. You may cross a double solid yellow line. A. To pass slower traffic. B. Never. C. To turn left into a driveway. The correct answer is C. When is it legal to use your horn? A. To warn another driver of danger. B. To greet a friend. C. To encourage another driver to move. The correct answer is A. At a railroad crossing with flashing red lights, you must stop. A. Only if a train is visible. B. 5 to 50 feet from the track. C. When the gate closes. The correct answer is B. If an emergency vehicle approaches with lights flashing, you must A. Pull over to the right edge of the road and stop. B. Continue driving at normal speed. C. Stop immediately in the lane. The correct answer is A. Blind spots are areas A. Visible with high beam lights. B. Behind the car only. C. You cannot see using your mirrors. The correct answer is C. If your car begins to skid, you should A. Turn in the direction of the skid. B. Turn in the opposite direction. C. Brake hard. The correct answer is A. When must you yield to pedestrians? A. Only at marked crosswalks. B. At all crosswalks and intersections. C. Only at night. The correct answer is B. When approaching a stop sign, you should stop A. At the limit line, crosswalk, or before entering the intersection. B. After the crosswalk. C. Anywhere before the intersection. The correct answer is A. A red arrow means A. Proceed with caution. B. Turn after yielding. C. Stop. Do not turn until it turns green. The correct answer is C. The move-over law requires drivers to A. Change lanes away from emergency vehicles stopped on the side. B. Stop completely on the highway. C. Follow closely behind emergency vehicles. The correct answer is A. If you are drowsy while driving, the best thing to do is A. Turn up the radio. B. Pull over and rest. C. Drink coffee and continue. The correct answer is B. What should you do if your brakes fail while driving? A. Shift to a lower gear and use the parking brake. B. Turn off the ignition immediately. C. Speed up to coast to a stop. The correct answer is A. The minimum following distance under good conditions should be A. 1 second, B. 5 seconds, C. 3 seconds. The correct answer is C. To avoid hydroplaning, you should A. Slow down on wet roads. B. Drive faster to get through water. C. Turn sharply. The correct answer is A. When parking downhill with a curb, turn your wheels. A. Away from the curb. B. Toward the curb. C. Straight ahead. The correct answer is B. The basic speed law means A. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. B. Always drive at the posted limit. C. Drive as fast as traffic flow. The correct answer is A. If a driver cuts you off, you should A. Flash your lights and honk. B. Speed up and pass them. C. Take a deep breath and continue driving calmly. The correct answer is C. A flashing yellow arrow means A. You may turn after yielding to pedestrians and traffic. B. Stop before turning. C. turn only on green. The correct answer is A. A pedestrian starts to cross on your green light. You should A. Proceed. You have the right of way. B. Yield until they finish crossing. C. Honk to warn them. The correct answer is B. Which lane should you use for passing? A. Right lane. B. Any lane. C. Left lane. The correct answer is C. If your vehicle starts to go off the pavement, A. Grip the wheel, ease off the gas, and gently return to the road. B. Brake hard and steer sharply. C. Accelerate immediately. The correct answer is A. You must dim your headlights when approaching an oncoming vehicle within A. 300 feet, B. 500 feet, C. 1,000 feet. The correct answer is B. When entering a roundabout, you must yield to A. Traffic already in the circle, B. Vehicles entering at the same time, C. Traffic to your right. The correct answer is A. The most common cause of rear-end collisions is A. Poor weather, B. Worn tires, C. Following too closely. The correct answer is C. When should you use your turn signal? A. Every time you turn or change lanes. B. Only when traffic is behind you. C. Only on main roads. The correct answer is A.